I pre-germinated my own rice seeds using this method. I was surprised to see how fast the seed sprouts in just a short time. This method is super simple and easy to follow. If you want to pre-germinate your own rice seeds, keep watching to the end so you can get everything that I'm about to spit out. Now let's get to the method of pre-germinating rice seeds. First, prepare the materials. You will need a bucket and seeds. Now place the seeds in a bucket and pour in water. It is best to pour water slowly. Stir the seeds with your hand to make sure good seed sinks to the bottom. The grains that float on water surface are empty grains and should be discarded. After discarding empty grains, remove old water and replace with clean water. The process of cleaning seeds using water should be done at least 3 times to completely remove empty grains. When all is done, pour in clean water and place the bucket of seeds under the shade. The seeds will remain in water for 24 hours to fully absorb water to speed up germination. After soaking seeds for 24 hours, rinse the seeds properly and put the seeds in a bag. You can use any kind of bag for this method. Place the bag of seeds under shade. It is best to put your seeds inside house. Make sure to check the seeds to see if water does not dry out. Sprinkle water on the seeds if water dries out. Keeping the seeds in a bag helps the seeds to warm and germinate uniformly. This process takes 24 to 48 hours. After 24 to 48 hours, you will be amazed to see how the seeds uniformly germinates inside the bag. You can now take your seeds and start sowing them in your garden or nursery. This method can be applied to hard-coated seeds like rice. They take longer time to germinate if not pre-germinated before planting. If you want all your seeds to germinate faster and grow healthy in your garden, you can try this method. And if you have other recommendations, please share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.